What's going on, guys? Here I have a new addition to my in-home gym, and this is the NordicTrack Smart Bell system. These are dumbbells just like the Bowflex system where they are adjustable. I want to do a quick unboxing, setup, and review on these. Try to have 2 people when you bring this into your home because it is extremely heavy. I had to just drag this all the way down these stairs here and into my basement. Let's go ahead and take this apart and set it up. So in the box we have some styrofoam on top, the case for the dumbbells, some more styrofoam. We've got a plastic piece, not sure what this goes to yet, a transformer, and the big reveal, oh, we have the dumbbells. So the first thing we're going to do with this is we're going to plug it into the wall. Using that supplied transformer, we're going to plug one end into the bottom of this here. Route that cable into that little cutout section there. And we can simply just plug this into the wall. That plastic piece that was in the box, this was the tablet holder, and it simply goes right on top here. We use the 2 supplied screws to screw in right here. I've got my iPad right here. Go ahead and put that there. Take the dumbbells, sit them into their tray. We want to make sure the battery tab is pointing up. And we're going to go ahead and remove these battery tabs. All right, guys, so that is it. Super easy, simple setup. You can see there's a 50 here, and these weights are adjustable from 5 all the way up to 50. The adjustable knob is right here. So you can see as it goes down, it's got 5, 10, 15, 20. So it goes in increments of 5 here. And there's a motor inside of here that is switching where it's linking up. So let's go ahead and bring it down to 10. And you can see, just like that, those dumbbells come right out of there. 25. So right off the bat, I'm really impressed with this. This is my first time ever using any adjustable type dumbbells. I am really impressed by this electronic feature. It works fairly quickly. So you can hear it, if you try to listen for it, you'll hear it adjust as well. And it adjusts very quickly. So let's adjust it and then try to see how long that takes. That was 1 second just to adjust those from 35 to 20. All right, I also want to show you guys how to set up the app as well as voice control these because you know in my house, everything has to be smart. So let's go ahead and check that out. All right, guys, so once your dumbbells are all set up and they are working, we're gonna go ahead and download the app from the App Store. So come into your iOS or Android device. We're gonna search for iSelect dumbbells. I'm gonna download that app right here. And once the app is downloaded, we're gonna go ahead and open that. You're gonna allow Bluetooth connections as allow Wi-Fi. Now we can hit Start Setup, hit OK, and it's going to tell us to, on the dumbbells, wake it up. So we're just going to spin the dial, and then we're going to push it in once. And you'll see the iSelect weights. It's going to connect to the dumbbells. And we're going to find the Wi-Fi connection, enter the password, and we're going to hit Share Wi-Fi. That's going to send the Wi-Fi information to the dumbbells so that the dumbbells can connect themselves to your Wi-Fi. So once the dumbbells are connected, we have to either sign up for an account or we have to sign in if you already have an iFit account. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to hit sign in. And now it's going to connect our iFit account to the dumbbells. We're gonna enable the voice control, so hit allow. All right, now the setup is completely done. Hit got it. And the first thing we have is our home screen here. You'll see the device load soon. And also it's gonna check for any updates on the dumbbells. If you have any updates, it's gonna install it now. Here it says the update has been completed, so we'll just go ahead and skip that. So basically here you can set preset values for the weights. So if you hit these set weight values, you can go ahead and tell Alexa what type of workout you will do, and it will automatically select those weight values for the dumbbells. So right now our overhead shoulder press is set to 10 pounds. We can set that to 15 or 20. And say our bicep curls, we want to set that to 50 because, you know, I have some big biceps. We can set the squats to 5 because maybe I have some weak legs. And so I'm gonna hit save, and it's gonna save those presets. Now I can say, Alexa, set dumbbells or set weights to squats, and it'll automatically set that weight to that preset. We can come back here, and the only other thing we have is an instructional video at the bottom. Basically going over what I just said, and then also the settings. So you can change some of the settings or forget the device here. Basically the voice commands are set weights to 10 pounds, decrease weights by 10 pounds. These weights go in increments of 5 again. And then you can also ask the weight to go to those preset functions. So let's go ahead and try out the voice control. To set up the voice control features, you just go to settings, and then you go to Alexa voice control, tap on that and hit allow. And here it's gonna ask you to sign into your Amazon account. So put your password and everything in and hit sign in. And once you go through those motions, it's gonna return you back to the home screen, and now you should be able to use Alexa to set the weights. All right, so I'm gonna set the tablet aside. I've got my Alexa right at the side of the room here. Alexa, can you set weights to 30 pounds? It's a little bit slow in the Alexa app, I will say. It's actually very slow. Alexa, decrease weights by 5 pounds.
Okay.
So that was a terrible lag, guys. First glance, this isn't looking too good. I was very excited to check this out. However, it is looking a little scary about how long this is taking. Alexa, set weights to bicep curls.
Okay.
Total of 7 seconds to change these weights. Let's try this one more time. Alexa, set weights to 50 pounds. That was 12 seconds to change the weights from 30 to 50 pounds, guys. I mean, at least it is working. However, the voice feature really is not that impressive. I would go ahead and just use the knob here. It's super fast on the knob. It just takes a second. Let's go from 40 all the way to 10. 1 second and you're ready to go. So if you guys are interested in picking this up, maybe later on they'll have some software updates. But for the meantime, I would just really use that knob feature. I wouldn't count on the voice feature too much. And you can also pair this to iFit. If you do have iFit, I have iFit on the treadmill. It has workouts with instructors, just like Peloton, and they guide you through the workout. And the weights, at least on the treadmill, it changes the speed as well as the incline. So I'll try out that iFit feature with these dumbbells and I'll let you know how it goes. Let me know what you guys think of these dumbbells. You know, are you a fan of these electronic dumbbells, or would you rather just have something manual and have, you know, every different set in your gym and then just use those instead? Also, guys, while you guys are here, let me know if there's anything else I should add to my home gym. Right now, I've just got the dumbbells. I've got the treadmill right there. I've got the Peloton, and I've got my weight rack right here, my bench press, mainly what I use it for. I could use it for squats, but that's basically what I've got going on in here. Let me know what else I should add to this home gym. Again, check out my channel for more tech videos, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.